Now, transitions help you go from one slide to the next, but just like in animations, you have control of some of the options. If I go down here to slide 3, our fade slide, with a fade, I have the option of going through black. If I go to slide 4, where I have an uncover, I have options of which direction I want it to uncover from. And I have the ability to change the duration, how long it takes for this to happen. This curtain ones take 6 seconds, but a standard fade only takes 0.7 or just under 3/4 of a second. And I can make that a little longer or a little slower. The higher the number, the longer that transition is going to be. The lower the number, the faster it'll happen. And remember, once you get one set up the way you want it, you can always apply to all. Now, I can also add sounds to my transitions. By adding a sound from the drop-down, I can, if I'm coming into a slide about money, so here's our quarterly sales, maybe I want to add a cash register sound to this slide, to the transition. And when I play it, I hear that cash register sound. Gets people's attention. Again, sound is something that you use on a limited basis when you really want to get someone's attention for something. You'll also notice I can modify the way I go from slide to slide. Just like we could on animations, click to go to the next one, or follow the previous, or go with the previous. I have the option to do it on mouse click, or I can set up specific timing. If this is something some people are going to watch on their own, you may want to set up some timing in your transition so that they have enough time to read it before it goes to the next slide. Now, for your benefit, we do have a project file available for you to work on to utilize the skills that you've learned in this lesson.